Aboard the ABC train, we're starting our fun. Learn the letter one by one. A is for apple, so round it. And 10 wrapping in stay. B is for ball, rolling all around, bouncing and never hits the ground. C is for cat, so soft and sweet, chasing its tail with little cat feet. D is for dog, barking and wagging, running so fast, no time for lagging. E is for elephant, big and strong, flapping its ears all day long. F is for fish, swimming in the sea, splashing around so wild and free. G is for goat, jumping so high, climbing the hills. Goats are quite really high. H is for hat, fancy and bright, wear it with joy, it feels just right. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, oh, ice cream loves the sun. J is for jellyfish, floating with grace, see it swim all over the place. K is for kite, flying so high, catching the wind in the bright blue sky. The lion is so cool. M is for mountain, tall and grand, standing so proud across the land. N is for nest, cozy and warm, keeping the baby birds safe from harm. O is for owl, wise and bright, watching over us all through the night. P is for penguin, so cute and small, wide but wide, with a happy cheer. Q is for queen, with the crown so bright, it's tongue and royal gown. R is for rainbow, colorful and touch gentle. S is for sun, shining so bright, lighting the day on. T is for tiger, fierce and strong, always bright. U is for puppy, stand so wide and keep it fresh and safe. V is for volcano, fiery and hot, but oh, not okay, dear. The is last exercise out loud, to fight, think tight, legs big, slowly down. Y is for yo-yo, up and round, down. Z is for zebra, with stripes so fine. If I step up, I'll be a step line. We've learned our ABCs from A to Z. Thank you, train, for the fun we had, you see.